Pero hindi niya alam yung tono. So like, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang. Oh, wala ko.
I'm gonna practice.
It should be like an actual Frost Sandoval. The autograph, ah. Iba-iba yung pirma niya kada ano, guys. Hulaan nyo na lang kung alin dyan yung legal ano niya. That's 12 na.
Yeah, manifesting for more.
Manifesting for more. You're right. I wanna graduate na talaga. I don't wanna go back to school anymore. Parang ubos na talaga ako.
We're almost there though.
1 month na lang.
Yeah.
Actually, this is like our last week. We're just doing clearances.
Ooh, so graduate ka na talaga.
Lapit na. Lapit na na.
Clearance na lang talaga.
Hello.
Wow! Hello!
Nakaka-proud.
Thank you! Wanna cry?
Oh, iyak ka na.
Deserve. Kasi tingnan mo
Wait lang.
naman, di ba? Like,
As in like super
After how
irregular
many
lang po
years?
ako. Irregular po talaga ako sa school. Kasi ang hirap naman pagsabi. Pero parang wala naman talagang regular pag engineer. Like, normal talaga like, wala talagang nagpo 4 years dun.
We have just signed 12. Sana makaabot. We only have 11 more minutes, guys. Come on, check out na kayo, please. Woo! Or else. 52% on all products. Check out na kayo, guys. Kasi, ayun nga. Yung prank call kasi.
Oh, you're so nice, oh.
Oo.
Seamless. I wanna... Can I have one? What do you wait? I like this last
Okay.
time.
talaga? Ay, nung nag-try ka
Yes,
nila,
di ba nag-angkas ako pa uwi noon. And then,
Look.
I still had it on. But
Talaga?
pag uwi ko kila Ashton, dahil ko nangyari sa'yo. Kasi naka-mask pa rin ako. This is really nice though.
Sige, I'll do it.
Okay pa ako kahit ito na lang yung mga pang take home ko.
Talaga?
Ito na lang.
Sige.
Could I have the
Sige.
cushion next time?
Sige.
The one for what's good for me?
03. Kasi 02 ako eh.
Oh, 03. And so deep beige.
Yes po.
Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.